Hello, welcome back for today's puzzle. Looks like today we're going to work on number 78. Let's start with this box here. It looks like we're missing a 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 1 and 8 here, so this is our 2. A 1 there, so 8 and 1. For this box, looks like we're missing a 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 there and a 7 there, so this is our 4. That 7 means this is our 3, and this is our 7. To finish out this row, looks like we're missing an 8. For this row, we're missing a 2 and a 7. I don't see any help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. For this row, we're missing a 3 and a 4. And again, I don't see any help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. If we look at this column, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4 and 9. And a 6. 4, 6, and 9. So we've got a 4 and a 6 there. So that's our 9. I don't see any other help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this column, looks like we're missing a 2, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 2, 5. No help here. So 2, 5, 8. And no help here, so 2, 5, 8. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 5 or 8, and 8 here. So 4, 5, and no help here. 4, 5, 8. We work on this column, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 3, 5, and 8 here, so this is our 4. No help here, so 3, 5, 8. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 8. And no help here, 3, 5, 8. If we look at this column, we're missing a 1, a 3, a 5, and a 9. We've got a 1, 9, 5 here. So this is our 3, and that 5 and 9 means this is our 1. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. So that 5 means we can get rid of this 5. And this 3 means we can get rid of this 3. All right, let's work on this row here. We're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 and an 8 there. So this is our 2. So then we can get rid of this 2. And that 2 means this is our 7. And 2. All right, let's work on this box. We're missing 4 and 8, but I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. Let's work on this row here. We're missing a 2 and a 7. We've got a 7 there. So 2, 7. That 2 means this is our 5, which would make this our 4, and this our 8. That 4 makes this our 6 and 4. And let's see, that 8 makes this our 5. And that 5 makes this our 8 and 5. So then this is our 2. So that 5 means we can get rid of this 5. All right, for this box, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 9. We've got a 9 there. So 1, 9. Finish out this row. Looks like we're missing a 2 and a 3. We've got a 2 there. So 3, 2. To finish out this box, we're missing a 3. For this box, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 6. We've got a 1 here. So 6, 1. For this box, looks like we're missing a 3 and a 6. I don't see any help. 3, 6, 3, 6. For this column, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 7 there. So 3, 4, and no help here, but 7 can't be there, 7 can't be there. So that means this is our 7. For this column up, we've got our 3 here. So that means this is our 4, this is our 3. That 3 makes this our 4, which means this is our 8, 4. That 8 means this is our 3, 8. That 3 means this is our 6 and 3. And just to finish off this box then, we're missing a 6. All right, that was today's puzzle, number 78. Please do like, subscribe, share it with someone you think would enjoy this content. That all really does help the channel out. And we will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.